Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Roblox Developer Console. To open it, simply press the F9 key on your keyboard while in a game. This powerful tool allows you to view important information about your game's performance, debug scripts, and even execute commands directly. It's an essential resource for any developer looking to understand and improve their Roblox experiences. Once the console is open, you'll see various tabs. The Output tab is crucial for debugging. You can use the print function in your scripts to display messages here, helping you track variable values or execution flow. Any errors or warnings from your game will also appear, often with line numbers, making it much easier to pinpoint and fix problems efficiently. The console features distinct client and server tabs. The Client tab shows information and allows commands related to your local game instance, like user interface interactions. Conversely, the Server tab displays data and enables commands affecting the entire game world, such as global script execution. Understanding this distinction is vital for effective debugging and command execution. Beyond basic commands, the console offers advanced features. You can monitor performance metrics like ping, memory usage, and frame rate, which are displayed in numerical values. Look for red error messages, as they often indicate critical issues. Learning to interpret these messages and using commands like warn or error in your scripts will significantly enhance your debugging capabilities and game stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.